Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video we saw how to delete a single linked list. Hope the concept was clear. Now in this video let's recap the time and space complexity of all the 6 operations that we have learnt till now. So the first operation was creation of a single linked list. So we saw that the time complexity for that is 1 and space complexity is 1. And the reason was we have to create a head, a tail and a first node. So all of them will take constant time. Similarly, for space we have to create only one node and two reference variables. So it is a constant space complexity operation. Now the next operation was insertion of a node in linked list. So the time complexity will take order of n, and the reason is that in the worst case, let's say if we want to insert a new node over here, then we have to traverse starting from here, go all the way to right and reach node number 4. So that might take order of n time. Space complexity is order 1, and the reason is we have to create only one node over here. Now the next operation was searching for a given value in the list. So time complexity for that is order of n, and the reason is that in the worst case we have to start from first and go all towards right and might have to go till end. So in the worst case it might take order of n time. Space complexity is constant because we have to use some temporary variables to do the loop, but nothing more than that. Now the next operation was traversing. So traversing of course will take order of n time because we have to traverse or visit each and every node in the list. Space complexity again will be order of 1 because we have to use some temporary variables, nothing more than that. Deletion of a node will take order of n time, and the reason is that again we have to start traversing from node 1, keep going towards right till we reach the node that we want to delete. So in the worst case we might have to travel almost entire linked list. So it will take order of n time. Space complexity once again will be order of 1 because we need only temporary variables, nothing more than that. Now the last operation was deletion of a linked list. So this will take order of 1 time because all that we are doing is we are destroying this connection and this connection over here. Rest of the nodes will automatically be deleted by garbage collector. Space complexity again will be order of 1 because we might use some temporary variables, nothing more than that. So that is all for this video. In the next video, let's start learning the next type of linked list, that is circular single linked list. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.